under her hat. Where are her eyes? Can you show me? Eyes. Ready? Where is baby's mouth? Behind the cup. That's right. And where's her mouth? Eyes. That's her other eye. Alright, moving on. Where is baby's belly button? There it is. Under her
Peekaboo.
shirt. Where are baby's feet? Behind the cat. That's right. And those are her eyes. You're so smart. Where are baby's hands?
Oh.
Where are his hands? Show me where his hands are. Hands. Under the bubbles, and those are your hands,
Yes,
right?
hands.
Last page. Where is baby? Baby. We'll get to that. Where's the baby? Peekaboo! There he is. Okay, can you show me where the ball is? Where's the ball? Good girl. Where's the bear? Good girl. Where's the wagon? Good girl.
Yay, good girl.
Yay.